morning.
Welcome our factory. Welcome.
Welcome.
Kasi kung gawain na ako ngayon, nahihiya din naman ako kasi
Please come inside, come inside.
There are more than 2,000 words to describe air. We aspire to know all the types of air existing in this world. Panasonic's more than a century of passion and innovation is deeply ingrained in our air conditioners. Such DNA is, even today, Malaysia. This is the global mother factory, the heart of our air conditioner business. Over 4,000 professionals gather here to realize a one-stop base for AC design and planning, sales, logistics delivery, after-sales services, corporate planning, R&D, and manufacturing. Fresh solutions and experiences are born here and delivered to our customers. Ever since its establishment in 1972, Papamai has driven Malaysia's advancement with a dedication to quality through its progressive products and in coexistence with society. Let's see how Papamai has been able to achieve top-level quality safety. We provide clean air to create a comfortable living environment by effectively inhibiting various pollutants. Furthermore, by combining IoT integration and using smartphones in operation by voice, users get to enjoy better convenience, control, and operation management anytime and from anywhere.
Sky Tower. Wow.
Like kemarin.